Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your general reading from 14th till 20th of September, and we will see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Okay, and as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. So let's see what is there for my Capricorns in the coming week from 14th till 20th of September, please. What is there for my Capricorns? 3 shuffles. So let's see what is there at the current moment. Queen of Swords, Libran energy. So you are behaving like someone who can, all you want right now. You are in a situation where you just want truth. You are here to not to feel emotionally, not to see, like whatever you. This is more about how you feel, how you not feel, sorry, it's more about how you actually attract that energy of people who are actually talking true to you. So this is your energy where you cannot just see people like emotionally, how they are feeling emotionally, they are crying, and you will be like, oh, don't cry, I'm there, I'm the healer, I'm here to help you. No, you are more in a practical form. You are saying you are dealing with people more practically now. So this is something you're in. This is not your energy, this is something which you have developed in you. Okay, so what's the issue? More Libran energy. So the issue over here is the conflicts and obstacles. It's like, when you have decisions, when you have to take some decision, and you are like, please give me some time to act accordingly. So you want people to give you time, you want some kind of decisions to be made by yourself. This is the conflicts, because you are not able to take some actions, some decisions by your own. That is the problem which is arising in your life. It's always about people who are telling you, but 2 of Swords, it tells you about that, no, I am not ready to hear or listen to you because my eyes are closed. So that is why you have closed your eyes, you have closed your ears, because you don't want to see anyone, you don't want to hear anyone. All you want to hear is your inner callings. So that is why over here you are just not seeing anyone, you want to listen to yourself. But this is the conflict. This is, you are not able to do, you are not able to decide. People are not letting you decide what you want to do. Okay, so what is the foundation? The world over here, the foundation of the situation you don't want to look at. See, this is a card where, this is the completion card. When you always ask God, ask the universe that, why is it happening with me? Have you ever understood that? Have you ever tried to understand that this was a cycle, this was a process, it had to happen. So the foundation is this only. So this, if you are going through some ups and downs in life, this has to be there. Okay, so sometimes you cannot just get answers of everything in your life. Something has to be done because the universe has planned this thing. So you cannot ask anything from the universe just like that, because it might be some kind of a karmic cycle which is coming to an end, because this was a closed cycle with a person which is coming to a completion. If this is a person or this is a situation, whomsoever this is. What's your past regarding this 2 of Pentacles? So you were always confused. This was always, you are, when people always try, this is a kind of juggling. A person who just not likes to juggle, but his life is a juggle. So it's like, sometimes home, family, juggling between so many things, all the hustles and bustles of the family life and everything. So this is that card, that busy bee card. So you were always in this mode, that where which thing to select, which option to choose, family life or work life, what should I do? You were always in between of these things. It was never a decision of your own. What's in your mind? The Knight of Cups. So this is your, sorry, Knight of Wands. So this is your purpose, your aim in life. You have, you have many dreams, you have seen many dreams, you want to accomplish those dreams, and you have manifested those dreams, and now it's all in your mind is to achieve something which you have always dreamt of. You want to be someone, in pursuit of dreams. So this is the best way I can explain this. You are in pursuit, you are ready to take some actions regarding your career, regarding your dreams to come true. Your future energies, 5 of Wands. See, this is in regards with Knight of Wands with the 5 of Wands. It's more about your future energies is telling me that you are really ready to even involve in some kind of competition as well. So conflicts, they arise everywhere, and you know that people will come in your life, people will try to, everyone will try to tell that I'm the best, and you are engaging in that kind of a field, and that is fine, because this is the life of, this is the, this life is full of competitions, full of things, and you are ready for those things. How you see yourself with the 3 of Pentacles. You see yourself as someone who is very busy in work. You want to be the busy bee kind of a person. You want to do work, you want to be that, please let me do my work, I am busy person, and you don't want to get engaged in other type of silly things in life. How people see you? People see you as the Hanged Man. People see you as someone who is taking some rest, because sometimes in regards with our career, in regards with our present life as well, we have to think about some situations in life, and that is why you are taking some kind of rest willingly. You are in this pose, this hangman pose, because you were willing to be in this pose. You started to analyze things in a different perspective. That is why you are the hanged man, and people see you as like this only, that you are a changed personality over here, and people are telling you, people are looking towards you like that. Okay, your fear, the Knight of Swords. So this is the secret which you are hiding from other people, or this is some kind of a fear, I would say, that anxiety. There's a fear of fighting a battle. There's a fear of, what if I lost, what if I lose. So this is that kind of a fear. You are really not ready to fight, but you really want, see, all you want is truth in life. You want some answers, which you want to get those answers, but you are not willing to fight, because you are a different personality. You are more into your career zone rather than in other. I told you on the silly stuff. You are not in that zone at all. You are more of a person who just wants to develop yourself, your growth. Okay, so you don't want to be in this kind of a thing. That is why you don't want to fight. It's like, just get resolved, just get it done like this. Okay, the final outcome. Okay, so 5 of Wands with the 10 of Wands. So things are speeding up, to be very honest with you over here. So if you are really wanting some things to happen fast, they are actually speeding up. With the 5 of Wands and the 10 of Wands as the final outcome, it's like, things will come your way, but they will take some time. Because of the 10 of Wands, it's like a lot of pressure, a lot of burden over you, a lot of responsibilities, people telling you, people actually, putting the responsibilities over your shoulders. Like everyone will blame you for whatever thing is happening. But what after 10 of Wands? This is the lesson learned, that people will tell you, people will always blame you for everything, but you can anytime you can offload this energy, offload this kind of responsibility over from you. You are not responsible for anyone's choice, for anyone's life. You are not the one who is responsible. It's your life, so you will have to deal with the way you want to live your life. It's your life, all right? So you can just offload these wants, 10 wants, just like that. Just put away all these, just throw it off, okay? And live a life the way you want. All right, so I guess that's all. And let's see, just let me clarify. Five of Wands, I want to clarify. Five of Wands in the future energy. The Sun, yeah. As I was expecting a good card only because, so with the Five of Wands, the Sun over here, so it's like when, when you involve in a conflict, it's all about getting victorious, getting success. And you are like, when you get involved in the conflict, or when you get involved in some kind of a competition over here, it's you who always win. So with the Sun card, it's an indication that everything will actually favor you at the end. If it's a conflict, if it's anything regarding with many people around, it will actually come towards you because you are right in the situation. All right, so that's all, Capricorns. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.